Hi, Hadil.
Hello, Reem.
The leaders in the Brussels Summit committed to enhance relations.
Yes, good afternoon, Reem and everyone. Indeed, hours ago, the WHO at the state of Kuwait was inaugurated at the UN headquarters in Mishrif area in the presence of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Sheikh Dr. Ahmed Nasser Al Mohammed, and the Minister of Health, Sheikh Dr. Basil Ahmoud Al Sabah. This opening ceremony will provide and develop health plans and health care, especially in these circumstances, exceptional circumstances that the whole world is faced due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, and also for the important role that the WHO play in this crisis. To talk in this regards and to talk about this opening with us, the WHO representative at the state of Kuwait, Dr. Asad Hafiz. Good afternoon, doctor. And in the beginning, let's say congrats for the opening, and I wish you all the best. Dr. Asad, let's know in the beginning that about the support from the state of Kuwait for the WHO.
Good afternoon, and thank you very much. And as you mentioned, it's a very important day today on the inauguration of WHO country office in the state of Kuwait. The state of Kuwait has been a member of World Health Organization since 1960. So this partnership has been going on for decades. Kuwait has been a very active contributor to the activities and resources of World Health Organization. And this particularly increased since the onset of pandemic. So the state of Kuwait has contributed more than $60 million in last couple of years to tackle the global emergency through WHO. And it has also contributed to COVAX, which is the global organization which is looking after the COVID vaccines. So this has been very prominent, and very recently the Director General of WHO also thanked the government of Kuwait and its dignitaries on this huge contribution. So I'm sure that with the opening of a WHO office within the country, this contribution and this partnership would further grow.
So what about how does the WHO support Kuwait in the health promotion?
As I mentioned, this partnership is not new. It's been there for quite some time. But with the in-house presence of a resident WHO coordinator within the country, as well as the office in the country, the avenues for collaboration with the government would increase many folds. You know, WHO is a member state organization, and the purpose of the work of of WHO is to involve the member states in their work as much as possible, and provide them the technical assistance and other resources from anywhere in the world. The best possible practices are provided through the country office, through the regional office, as well as through the global headquarters. So we intend to work together and further strengthen the collaboration on pandemic response, the surveillance systems, the laboratory systems, similarly the strengthening of the health systems through the three levels of care, that is primary care, secondary care, and tertiary care systems. Kuwait already has a good family practice system, and we would strive to ensure that the best practices which are being carried out in Kuwait are also exported to other regional countries. So we see together with the government, Kuwait as providing the required leadership within the region and globally with its best practices, both in implementation and in research of health sector.
Thank you, Dr. Asad Hafiz, the WHO representative at the state of Kuwait, for being with us. Wish you all the best. Yes, as he mentioned that perfect relations between the WHO and the state of Kuwait in the various fields and the health sectors. And it's shown in this regard, especially, for example, the award for His Highness the late Emir Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah for research for the healthcare, elderly and health promotion. In the end, we wish the WHO in Kuwait all the best, and also for the World Health Organization. And we have to thank them for all that effort made, not just to confront this pandemic for 2 years, but also to protect us from all the disease. Yes, Reem.
Thank you, Hadil.